discovery of the Katipunan, which spread throughout Manila and the suburbs. That same night, August 19, 1896, Bonifacio, accompanied by his brother Roque, Emilio Jacinto, Teodoro Plata, and Abuelo de Rosario, slipped through the cordon of Spanish sentries and reached Manitowoc before midnight. The Valenzuela followed them the next day. On the 21st, Bonifacio changed the
Andres!
Is this
Andres! Nalaman na ako saan tayo nagpupunta. Kailangan natin malis dito!
Huwag kang mag-alala. Tama tayo.
Andres!
Go where Apolonio Samson, ang Timonero, gave them food and shelter. In the afternoon of August 22nd, they
Andres!
Gadlaw.
Mariam! Nandiyan sa oras!
August 23rd, 1896,
Anak Sora,
one
bakit naririto pa kayo? Yung hama ba ang ilang naman ito para sa inyo? Umalis na kayo. Sige na!
Hindi, Andres! May hindi na lamang natitirang panahon sa aking buhay. Hindi ko na kayang humawak ng alpas. Ngunit gagawin ko ang lahat para maging malaya na ang ating bayan. Andres! Kapatid tayo na!
your settlers and tear them to pieces to symbolize our determination to take up arms. The men immediately tore up their settlers, shouting, "Long live the Philippines!" This event marked the so-called cry of Manitowoc, which actually happened in Ogadlaw.